was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. He was a great leader of India. He showed us the path of peace, non-violence and cleanliness. He taught us many things. He was also known as father of our nation. He teaches us a lot of things. We should all take inspiration for him. Now, without wasting time, I would like to stop my words wishing you peace and harmony on God's 55th birth anniversary of Gandhi. Thank you for listening. Thank you.
Now, our new friend Vivan Swami giving speech on Lal Bahadur Shastri Ji.
Good morning everyone, myself Octoberber from grade 8 standing before you to deliver a speech on Lal Bahadur Shastri. Lal Bahadur Shastri, India's second Prime Minister, is best known for his integrity, humility and leadership during challenging times. One of his most famous speeches was delivered during the India-Pakistan War of 1965 where he coined the slogan Jai Jawan Jai Kisan. This simple yet powerful statement highlighted his vision of a self-reliant, recognizing the critical role of both soldiers guarding the nation and farmers feeding it. In his speeches, Shastri emphasized unity and discipline and hard work. His dedication towards the nation, commitment to non-violence, and deep respect for the common people made him an inspirational figure in Indian history. Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, thank you and have a peaceful day ahead.
History tells us what had happened in the past. So today's history of today Our